Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a iron golem in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. In order to go ahead and create an iron golem, all you need is some iron, of course. So simply go ahead and create a iron block with your iron. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do that as well. You're also going to need some pumpkin. So simply go ahead and use the shear in order to go ahead and carve out a pumpkin. Now, how do you make an iron block? You can simply go ahead and use your iron ingot and just put it all over the table in order to go ahead and get an iron block. Now, in order to go ahead and make an iron golem, all you need to do is build this structure right over here. So place 1, 2, and then third one on the top right over here. 1, 2. And now you can simply go ahead and place a iron head. And there you go. Well, I got one extra, but you got the point. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one.